Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I am so excited that I get to use this cut file today. It is from Paige Evans' 25 Days of Christmas Cut Files. And she is offering that for $25. You get a cut file every single day from now until Christmas. So it's just such a fun surprise. Every morning you get to check your email and she will have a cut file waiting for you. So the cut file for today is the Elf on the Shelf cut file. And I was so excited to use this because I had the perfect pictures for it. Our little elf on the shelf. I am using the Bungalow Lane collection, and even though it's not a Christmas collection, it still works perfectly. I like the non-traditional colors for Christmas. Yes, red and green is fun, but so is other colors for Christmas. So that is why I chose this collection. So I'm not going to have you watch me back the whole entire cut file, but just this portion here, I used this tone-on-tone red heart pattern paper, and then I wanted to show you how I backed the letters on the books. So I took the cut file and in Silhouette Studio I released the compound path. I got rid of all the extra little pieces and just kept the letters, and then I did the offset feature so that I could have the letters a little bit bigger than what they are actually on the books. And that just makes it so much easier to back the letters rather than tracing them in, tracing them on the pattern papers and then having to cut them out. So I just wanted to show you that. And I like to do that with certain parts of cut files if I'm really not wanting to do all that extra work and let my silhouette do the work for me. It's kind of the nice thing about having a die cutting machine is take some of the work out for you. And there we are. We have the cut file all backed, and then I also took that Christmas Village cut file from Paige. That is a past cut file that she created, and I backed that with the Bungalow Lane collection as well. And then I took my photo and I just put it on a scalloped frame. I am creating a little ledge for my Christmas Village. So I took a pattern paper and I just cut it down into two strips, one wider and one a little bit thinner, and then the thinner one I just had it a little bit longer to create that nice little ledge so that my Christmas Village could sit on top of that. I am creating a scene, I guess, and it is a little Christmas decoration wall scene. So that is why I have this little ledge with the Christmas Village, and then the elf on the shelf is going to be sitting above it, and then I will have my picture frame hanging, like it's hanging on the wall. So I'm just gluing everything down, and I have that popped up on foam adhesive. I am going to add some red and white twine here to hang my photo. So I'm just gluing it down with some tape here. And then I will figure out where I want it, and then I'm going to use one of the puffy button stickers from Bungalow Lane. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know why I mess it up every time. It's not a hard word to say, but for some reason when I'm recording I can't say bungalow. Anyways, Bungalow Lane. I am using that button sticker here. I think it's a little pink one to hang my photo. And I'm gonna add it on top of the twine and then just add a bunch of extra glue just to make sure that it wouldn't fall off. And you can see the scene really coming together now. So now I'm just gonna go through some of my Christmas stash and look for little pieces that could finish off this Christmas village. I think I add a tree and maybe a candy cane or something. I didn't have a lot to pick from that were small pieces, but I did find a few things from this little sticker book. And I tried to look through and see if I could find anything from the sticker book from Bungalow Lane, but I couldn't find anything that I liked for this Christmas layout. I'm gonna add this little sentiment strip here, just with next to the Christmas village. I don't remember what it says here. Candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses. Just something a little kind of cute to add on to that. And then I'm going to add a sentiment strip on to one of the books. I think, yes, I'm going to add a little mug also, like it's sitting on the shelf. I thought that was kind of cute, and it was the perfect colors to match Bungalow Lane. And then I found this cute little car with the little tree on top. I thought that was it. It was a little bit big, but who cares? It was cute. I just had to add it. It's okay that the car is almost as big as the house is. And then I also found these stockings, and I thought that would be fun to hang from the ledge of this shelf. So I'm going to add those on. And then I also found some ornaments, and I'm going to add those like they're hanging from that ledge as well. So just move those stockings over a little bit and then pop those ornaments up on some foam adhesive and add them onto the shelf. I didn't really have to do a lot of embellishing, as there was already a lot going on with the cut files. And this is the last thing I'm going to put on, this little pom-pom garland. I thought it was the perfect little addition to this frame. I didn't want a lot on there. I wanted to keep it pretty simple. So this fit perfectly, it was the right size, and it had to go on the layout. And then that will finish off this layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was so happy to use this cut file. It is the first cut file for the 25 days of Christmas. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye!